Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing very good. We are also very good. So here we are today again with a new vlog and Happy Navratri to you all.
Happy Navratri!
Today we thought of going to the temple, but after having lunch we slept selling all our horses, and when we woke up it was already 6:30 in the evening. So there is no point going now. And you can see both our faces have become very plumpy because of oversleeping. So we thought of making something sweet to refresh our mood. Since everyone is trying different recipes with apples like apple halwa, apple kheer, apple barfi, so today we decided to make an apple dish again, but this time a dessert. And with this we can inaugurate the dessert set we bought yesterday.
So now let's start making.
So our today's dish is apple shira, and for making this dish we will need 2 large sized chopped apples, 3 tablespoon butter, some raisins, some cashew nuts, some pistachios for decorating, cardamom powder, sugar to taste, and suji or semolina. You can add more dry fruits like sliced almonds or walnuts or grated coconut, but since we don't have those, so we are adding only this.
Only this three. Okay? Okay.
So now let's get started. First we will add the butter to the kadhai. Frying the cashew nuts very little. Next, adding the raisins and the chopped apples. We will not boil the apples, we will only cook it till it gets little tender. You should cook it in medium flame because the high flame will burn the taste of the butter. After cooking the apples for 2-3 minutes, we are adding the semolina or suji. We will cook the suji till a beautiful aroma comes. Our suji is cooked and now it is releasing a very yummy aroma.
2.5 cup.
At this point, we will add 2.5 cup water. We will add the sugar also. We will let the sugar dissolve and let the suji cook. Our shira is done, and now we will add the cardamom powder for aroma. So our apple shira is done. It's a chunky apple shira, and when you will eat the shira and you will bite, into the apples and it will taste very yummy. Now serving our apple shira. Little desi ghee on top and few pista slices. And your apple shira is ready.
So tasty. Taste it, taste it.
It's so yummy. Jia has bite into the hot halwa and you have seen her expression. It's so yummy, and when you bite the apples, they just melt in your mouth. And we have also given this as bhog to our God. It's addictive. By the way, the temperature in our city is so hot and humid. I don't know why. It's almost the end of October, but still it's so hot and so much power problem in our city. So many power cuts. And by the way, tomorrow's vlog is my puja outfit vlog. So guys, stay tuned with our channel so that you can watch tomorrow's vlog.
Wow. Oh. Sunder.
So this was all about our
today's vlog. And if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Bella Ciao!